Boom. Hello, my name is Bryce Tubbs, and I believe in daily quiet time. So, for me, one thing that's been very, very important for the last couple of months has been to work on my mental game, to be able to go to the next level that I'm trying to achieve in my life and in my business. I need to be able to, get more vision, to get more clarity, and get more direction in my day-to-day life. And one of the best ways that I know how is to be able to take short daily breaks and to be very quiet and sit still and try and relax, okay? Because once you're able to quiet your mind, it allows you to be able to tap into, a greater genius in your brain and your subconscious, right? So that's why I always like to take a daily quiet time. Now, if you've tried to do that in the past, maybe you've tried meditating, maybe you've tried taking a break. I don't know exactly what you've done, but it hasn't worked for you. Or maybe you can't quiet your mind down and don't actually know how to do this. I recommend you go check out the link in the description below to my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. In it, we're going to give you everything that you need to start moving forward towards the life that I believe you deserve. Mindset is a major part, but there's also skills, tangible skills that I have to impart into you and onto you in order for you to be able to actually utilize the different pieces together to actually get what you want. Because if you have the mindset but you don't have the business skills, or if you have the business skills but you don't have the personal skills and personal relationships, or the ability to actually enjoy your success, it's not going to matter. So that's why I recommend you go check out the link in the description below to my group called Uncapped Growth Strategies. Have a great day, talk to you soon, and see you later.